What's up, everybody? I'm out here with the GoPro. About to go to the secret spot again. But one thing I just realized, bro, like the government is really trying to distract us to the point where we can't even. It's hard for us to even think for ourselves, bro. Like, do you remember when you knew everybody's phone number? All your friends, your mom, your dad, everybody, you knew everybody's phone number. Now you don't know nobody's phone number. And it shows the thing. I just read something the other day where it said Steve Jobs, the creator of Apple, doesn't want his kids using his technology because he knows how dangerous it is. I should tell you something, bro. We live in a simulation. We need to be doing more. But I learned something the other day. Life is whatever you make it. I got a quote from this old guy. He told me something. Life is not hard, but it's not easy. Life is not hard, but it's not easy. Life is whatever you think it is. Life is whatever you make it to be. If you broke, you lost your job, that's your fault. If your girlfriend cheated on you with a richer dude, that's your fault. You should have more money. Everything is your fault. Once you understand that, you will start reprogramming. You'll start reprogramming your brain to do different things. Like, it's really amazing to me how some people they see what's coming. Like every month, bro. Every month I'm about to get groceries. I see. Oh, we got a bread recall. We got a bread recall because people were finding glass in they shit. I remember eating the Lifesaver gummies. Those was my favorite candy at one point. I don't even eat them no more because I remember I opened the pack and I ate all the way almost to the bottom, and then when I got to the bottom, it was a piece of chalk in the bag. And after that day, I put the rest that was in there, I put them in the bag. And for the rest of that time, I ain't never ate that shit. I don't even eat candy no more. I had chocolate for the first time today. And I was just like, oh man, it ain't really nothing. Cause I don't eat chocolate no more. I don't eat candy no more. I don't drink sodas. All I drink is water. And I eat healthy. But it should tell you something. We call for food, bro, that comes from farms. Like, everybody is out paying for food when you don't even realize everything in your life that you need is free. The animals that you eat, they're free. Once you buy them and take care of them, and they have more babies, and they have all this shit, you can get a house. Like, everybody want to live in LA, bro. I want a house somewhere out where I can get some land and just have like a big ass farm, grow my own shit. That's how I want to be. Because this food make people feel bad. And it used to make me think, like, why are people so slow? Why are people so asleep? Why are people so just stuck on their phones all day? It's because of the food. It's because of what they watching on TV. It's because of everything. It's because of the music they listening to, bro. I don't even listen to music no more. Can you believe that? Bro? I don't even listen to music no more. And that's the wild part. Because music is my thing. I love music. But I don't even listen to it no more. I tried to listen to a rap song the other day, and I was just like, what the fuck? This shit is terrible. But people listen to this shit every day, and it hurts my ears now. Now I only listen to podcasts, maybe some frequencies. I listen to some frequencies, or I listen to some sound design, cinematic sound design, bro. I don't listen to rap or I listen to Afro beats. I don't listen to no other type of music because it bothers my soul. It really bothers me. It really bothers me. And a lot of people might watch this video and be like, damn, bro, like you might be hitting a spot. I'm telling you, bro, something is not right. Something is just not right in America right now. And people are not seeing it, but I'm seeing it. We're about to have a recession. Look at this presidential debate. Look at what's happening to inflation. Everybody knows the inflation is going to keep going up and it's going to get harder to live. But they're not trying to do anything to get out of the inflation, to beat inflation. They're not trying to invest in those stocks because they don't trust the stock market. They don't trust the stock market. They don't trust cryptos because they don't know what it is. And I tell people straight up, like, bro, if you don't know what something is, just learn what it is. Learn about it. Learn about it. It might interest you. People ain't trying to buy no real estate, and people that own houses are living in the houses instead of fixing up the house, moving out, getting an apartment, and just having somebody pay your mortgage. You feel me? Or, like, I got a friend right now, bro. He owns his house, and I asked him, how much you think you can get for that? He said he can get at least 1.2 million. 1.2 million. Okay, how much money do you think 1.2 million you can sell that house, and instead of paying taxes on it, you could use that to buy more properties, or use that, or take equity out of the house and buy more real estate? You know what I'm saying? Buy some Airbnbs, some invest in Airbnbs, or invest in an apartment building or some shit like that, bro. Like, people not understanding, like, it's easy to make money out here. I just ain't got the money yet. Well, I'm not gonna say I ain't got the money yet. The money's just not in my account yet, but I have it. I have it. The money is here. Y'all heard that shit? The money is here. The money is here. I'm gonna tell you that right now. The money is here. The money is already here. I just gotta get it. I just gotta put my face in front of people and get that money, because I don't want my life to be normal. I don't even wanna live in America. Like, some people might think I'm crazy, but America is not the greatest country in the world, bro. It's countries with better healthcare, way better healthcare. You know what I'm saying? Like, better healthcare. What else? Better food, better stuff, more stuff to do. Like, you can in California, bro. It's so much traffic. It take you 45 minutes to get from one side of the state to the other, bro. Seriously, like, people can't drive. But in Colombia, it looked chaotic, but it actually runs so smooth, like, it's crazy. But I want people to understand, like, life is whatever you make it. Life is really whatever you make it. If you tell yourself you got an ass life, you're gonna have an ass life. But if you want a better life, you gotta change your mindset. You gotta start saying, oh, today's gonna be a good day. I experience once in a lifetime opportunities multiple times a day. Say that shit. Say that shit. I say this right here every day for 30 days. And if it don't change your life, I'll send you $20. Say this. I experience once in a lifetime opportunities multiple times a day on a consistent basis. And let's see, bro. Let's see. Say that shit for 30 days, or write it down and read it and read it and read it and read it and read it. If your life don't change in 30 days. Yeah, if your life don't change, yeah, you know what to do. You know what to do. Just hit me up and I'll send you that 20, homie. You feel me? Cause I know for a fact it's gonna change. I know for a fact your life is gonna change, bro. Like, I'm out here in the water, bro. I'm out here in the water just chilling, sweating. And it's like being around water, it helps you to think, it helps you to vibe, it helps you to get your thoughts together and shit. Like, I don't want to be a niche on social media, bro. I just want to be myself. Like, can I just make money being myself? Because I can't do work, like, I can't do workout videos because I don't work out. You know what I'm saying? Because I work out, but I'm not in the workout niche. But I work out, I travel, I do music, but I don't really do music like that. It don't be really interesting me. I color grade, I edit, I do videos. So I do a lot of different things, bro. I do a lot of different things, and plus I read a lot. And I want people to know every bit of me, bro. I don't want motherfuckers to be like, oh man, I didn't know this about this person, this, and this. I want y'all to know all of me, bro. I'm gonna make sure y'all know all of me. If y'all don't know all of me, it's gonna be wicked. But y'all gonna know all of me, bro. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. Go to my GoFundMe so you can help the journey. We can go around the world together and vlog it and have some fun. Thank you for watching the video. My name is Theo, and I'm out.